Shiny!
Hi friends! Today we're going to make all kinds of farm animals with colorful Play-Doh. Are you ready? Let's get started! Here we have a bowl of colorful pom-poms. What surprises do you think are inside? Look, we found a barn clay mold. Now let's decide what color to use. How about pink? No. What about green? Maybe there's a better choice. Red! Yes, a red barn sounds perfect. All right, let's go with red. First, let's flatten the clay. It feels so nice. Now, we'll use this rolling pin to make it smooth and even. Then, we'll press the barn shape with this frame. After that, we'll use the mold to press out the details of the barn. Now, let's remove the extra clay from the edges. Yay! It's time for the big reveal! Wow, look at this! The red barn is so bright and beautiful. Let's decorate it. I think I'll start by decorating the barn door. The blue barn door looks great, doesn't it? And don't forget the window! Look! The colors match so well, it's awesome! Wow, it turned into a wooden toy barn. Amazing! Barns have big doors so tractors and animals can go in and out. Some barns are red because long ago, farmers mixed red paint to protect the wood. Barns are big houses for animals like cows, horses, and chickens. What do you think the next surprise will be? Oh, it's a cow mold. All right, let's pick a color. Hey cow, do you like yellow? No. How about green? No. What about blue? Maybe the next one will be better. White. Okay, let's go with white. Let's make a white cow. First, let's flatten the clay. And then use the rolling pin to make it smoother and flatter. What's next? You know it. We'll press the cow's frame to shape it. Now comes the exciting part. We'll press down the cow mold and remove the extra clay. Haha, let's see how it turned out. Wow, it looks great. Now let's decorate it. We'll use black to decorate the cow's body. And for the mouth and nose, we'll use pink. It looks so cute! And don't forget the eyes. This adorable cow is all done. Do you like it? I love it too. Oh, it turned into a puzzle piece. Let's see where it fits on the barn. Is it here? No. What about this side? Oh, it fits. Perfect. Cows love to eat grass and chew all day long. Cows say moo. It's their special way of talking. Cows make milk every day that we drink to grow strong. Friends, what do you think we will find next? Oh, it's a sheep. All right, let's ask this sheep what color it wants. Do you like purple? Oh no? How about yellow? Oh, you like yellow. All right, we'll use yellow. Just like before, let's flatten the yellow clay. Then use the rolling pin to make it even and smooth. Next, we'll press the sheep-shaped frame in the middle. Now, let's press the sheep mold inside the frame and remove the extra clay from the sides. It's time for the reveal. Look, this yellow sheep looks so bright and cute. Now, let's decorate it. Where do you think we should decorate it? All right, let's add some blue clay on its head. And don't forget the eyes. All done. Our yellow sheep is so nice. Wow, it turned into a puzzle piece. Let's quickly put it back in its place. Where do you think it belongs on the barn? Is it here? Oh no. How about down here? Oh, not there either. Could it be this one? Oh, it matches. Great job. Sheep have soft wool that keeps them warm and cozy. Baby sheep are called lambs, and they love to hop around. Sheep love to live together in groups called flocks. They feel happy and safe when they're with their sheep friends. What do you think we'll find this time? Look, it's a rooster. Mr. Rooster, what color would you like? How about red? No. Pink? No. Yellow? No. White. No. Blue. Oh, you like blue. All right, we'll use blue. Watch as I press down on the clay. Haha, finally flattened it. Now it's time to use the rolling pin to smooth out the clay. Next, we'll take the rooster-shaped frame and press it in the middle. Then we'll press Mr. Rooster into the frame and remove the extra clay. Are you ready to see our blue rooster? Here you go. Oh, this blue rooster turned out great. Now it's time to decorate it. What part should we decorate? All right, let's add some orange to its comb, and for the tail, we'll also add some orange. Of course, don't forget the eyes. All done. Our blue rooster looks amazing, doesn't it? Oh, it turned into a puzzle piece. Let's return it to the barn. Can you help me find where this rooster belongs? Is it here? Oh, no, that's not right. How about here? Let's try it out. Oh, it's correct. Well done. Roosters say cock-a-doodle-doo to wake everyone up in the morning. Roosters love to strut around the farm and show off their feathers. Roosters have a comb on top of their head, like a little red crown. Can you guess what animal we'll find next? It's a horse. All right, Mr. Horse, what color do you like? Is it green? No? Is it red? No? White? Not ideal. Purple? All right, let's go with purple. Can you imagine what a purple horse looks like? Let's get started. Look how hard I'm pressing down on this clay, haha. Next, we roll it smooth. Now, we press the horse-shaped frame into the center of the clay. After that, we press the Mr. Horse mold into the frame. What's next? That's right, we remove the extra clay. What will the purple horse look like? Wow, a beautiful purple horse. It feels so magical. Let's decorate it. We'll use black to decorate its mane. Let's add some detail to the middle of its ears. And then add some touches to this part of the mane. Finally, let's do its eyes. All right, the purple horse is done. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, it turned into a puzzle piece. Let's send our Mr. Horse back to the barn. Mr. Horse, where's your spot? Is it here at the top? Oh no, maybe down here? Yes, that's right. Bye, Mr. Horse. Horses say neigh when they talk to each other. A baby horse is called a foal, and they can stand just a few hours after being born. Horses eat hay, grass, and carrots, which are some of their favorite snacks. Friends, what farm animal do you think we'll find next? Oh, it's a pig! Let's ask this pig what color it wants. Pink? Okay, it wants pink, so let's use pink. Let's press down hard on this clay. After that, it'll be easier to roll it smooth with the rolling pin. Once we've rolled it flat, we can move on to the next step. Pressing down the pig-shaped frame. Then, we'll press our piggy mold inside the frame. Finally, we remove the extra clay and take a look at our pink pig. 3, 2, 1. Wow, this pig looks so cute. Great job. Let's hurry and decorate it. First, let's add its eyes. Then we'll give it a yellow nose. Doesn't this pig look fantastic? Wow, it's turned into a puzzle piece. Piggy, let's send you back to your spot. Where do you belong in the barn? Is it up here? Oh yes, that's right. Goodbye, Piggy. Pigs say oink oink when they talk to each other. Pigs love to roll in mud to stay cool on hot days. Pigs love to eat vegetables, fruits, and yummy leftovers from the farm. What animal do you think we'll find next? Oh, it's not an animal, it's a tractor. All right, let's do something different this time. What color would you choose for this tractor? Which one would look the best? Okay, let's go with green. All right, our clay is ready, so let's press it down hard. And what's next? Do you know? That's right. Use the rolling pin to roll it flat. After that, it's simple. Just press the tractor-shaped frame in the middle. Next, press the tractor mold inside the frame. Then we remove the extra clay from the sides. Now, let's see how our green tractor looks. Wow, it's so cool. I can't wait to decorate it. Let's do that now. I'm going to use blue for some decorations. For the wheels, let's also use blue. Both the front and back wheels. All done. What do you think of this tractor? Wow, it's turned into a puzzle piece. Let's figure out where it belongs. Is it up here? No, not there. What about on the side? Nope, not there either. Maybe it's down here? Let's try to fit it in. Oh yes, that's right. Great job. Tractors have a loud vroom vroom sound when they drive. Farmers use tractors to plant seeds, plow fields, and harvest crops. Tractors are big and strong to help farmers work on the farm. All right, what do you think we will find this time? Oh, it's a dog puzzle piece. Very simple. Let's help it find its spot in the barn. Can you see where it is? It looks like this one. Let's try putting it in. Oh, it fits perfectly. Good job. Farm dogs are smart and listen to their owners really well, just like superheroes. Some farm dogs have fluffy fur to keep them warm, even in the coldest weather. Farm dogs love helping farmers. They can chase sheep and cows to make sure they don't run away. Are you curious about what the next one will be? Oh, it's a cat! Let's quickly send it back to the barn. Kitty, where is your spot? Is it here? No. How about here? Oh yes, great job. Bye-bye, kitty. Farm cats love to nap in the sunshine, soaking up all the warmth. Farm cats are great climbers. They can climb trees and fences to explore. Farm cats are super quiet when they walk, making them great at sneaking up on little critters. Hey friends, what do you think the next farm animal will be? Oh, it's the yellow duck that everyone loves. Where do you think it will go in the barn? I think it's this spot. Let's give it a try to see if it fits. Yes, it does. Great job, friends. Quack, quack. Ducks make a funny quack sound when they talk to each other. Ducks love to swim. Their webbed feet help them paddle quickly through ponds and puddles. Ducks have soft, waterproof feathers that keep them warm and dry, even in the rain. What do you think we will find this time? Oh, it's the farmer. He helps take care of the farm. Let's help the farmer find his spot in the barn. Is it here? Oh yes, great job. Farmers wake up early in the morning to get all their work done before the sun sets. Farmers take care of animals like cows, chickens, and sheep, making sure they are fed and happy. Farmers give sheep a haircut in the summer so they stay cool and comfy. Wow, friends, look at these. Today we made so many cute farm animals with Play-Doh. Besides that, we also learned so much about farm animals. Isn't it fun? Wow, friends! Look, we have so many fun animal puzzles to play with today. Oh, my penguin is gone. And the panda too? Friends, what should we do? All our cuddly animals have run away. Oh no, the puzzles are all gone. Can you help me find them? Look, here's a penguin. Penguins waddle when they walk. Isn't that funny? A group of penguins is called a colony or a waddle. Cute name, right? Penguins can't fly, but they use their wings to swim. Flap, flap, splash. They love to swim fast in the cold water. Wow, we found the penguin puzzle pieces. Let's put them together. All right, we have all the pieces. Let's start in the middle. Is it this one? Let's try. Oh, it doesn't fit. Let's spin it around. Yay, it fits perfectly. Now, let's find the next piece. How about this one? It's the penguin's cute head. Let's put it on top of the body. Great job. Next, look at the penguin's cute feet. Let's put them at the bottom. Now, let's add the wings. Let's try the left side first. Oh, not quite. That's okay. Let's try the right side. Yay, it fits. Finally, we have the last piece, the left wing. Perfect. We finished our penguin puzzle. Isn't it so cute?
Hello, friends. I'm a penguin. Do you know how to spell my name? Let's spell it together. Penguin, penguin.
Wow, look, it's a panda. Pandas have black and white fur. It looks like they're wearing a cool jacket. They love to eat bamboo, munch, munch, crunch. They use their front paws to hold food, like you hold a snack. Pandas can climb trees and take naps up high. Look, we found the panda puzzle pieces. Yay, let's put them together. Which piece should we start with? Let's start with the panda's head. Put it on top. Next, let's pick this one. The body goes in the middle. Now, where does the green piece go? Is it the front paw? No. Maybe it's the right side. Let's try. Yay, we got it! Now, let's put the left front paw here. Next, let's do the back paws. Let's try the right side. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Let's try the left side. Yay, we did it! Now the last piece is the panda's right back paw. All done! Great job, little ones!
Hello, friends. I'm a panda. Can you guess how to spell my name? Let's do it together. P-A-N-D-A, panda.
Buzz, buzz. Look, here's a bee. Bees make honey and it's yummy and sweet. They have tiny wings that flap super fast. Flap, flap, flap. Bees work together as a team to make honey and take care of their hive. Each bee has a special job, and when they all work together, they do amazing things. Yay, we found the bee puzzle pieces. So much fun. Let's put them together. Let's start now. Which piece should we pick first? Oh, you think this one? Okay, this piece looks like it goes on top. Let's check. Yay, that's right. Now, let's find the bee's head. Is it this piece? Let's try putting it down. Yes, good job. Look at this black and yellow striped piece. It must be the bee's body. So cute. Now, let's take this piece. Do you think it goes on the left or the right? Let's try the left side first. Yes, it fits. The last piece is the right wing. Let's put it in. Yay, we did it. Wow, friends, look! We did the little bee puzzle together.
Hello, friends. I'm a bee. Do you know how to spell my name? Let's spell it together. B-E-E, bee.
Look, here's a frog. Frogs love to sit near water, like ponds and streams. Some frogs have air sacs, like little balloons, on the sides of their mouths. They puff them up when they croak or sing. Frogs can jump super high with their strong back legs. They catch bugs with their sticky tongues. Slurp! Yay, we found the frog puzzle pieces. Let's grab them super quick. Woohoo, time to put it all together. Where should we start? Oh look, here's the biggest piece. Do you see the frog's cute tongue? So funny. Let's put it right in the middle. Perfect. Now let's do the eyes. This red eye, does it go on the left or the right? Let's try the right. Oops, that's not it. Okay, let's put it on the left. Yay, it fits. Great job. Next up, the orange eye. Where does it go? On the right. Boom! Now our frog has 2 eyes. Looking good, froggy. Now, let's do the legs. This light blue piece, does it go here? Nope, not there. How about the left side? Yes, it fits perfectly. You're amazing. Last piece, everyone, the frog's right leg. Ready? Let's pop it in. Hooray, we did it. Our froggy puzzle is all done. High five.
Hi, friends. I'm a frog. Can you spell my name? Let's hop and spell it together. F-R-O-G, frog.
Hoot, hoot. Look, it's an owl. Owls stay awake at night and sleep during the day. They're night owls. Owls can turn their heads almost all the way around, so twisty. Their big eyes help them see in the dark. Peekaboo, I see you. Owls have soft feathers so they can fly very quietly. Shh. Look, here are our owl puzzle pieces. Haha, we got them. Let's hurry and finish the puzzle. First, let's try this piece. Should it go in the middle? Almost, but let's rotate it around. There we go. Yes, it fits. Next, look at these big funny eyes. Let's put it on top of the body. Perfect, great job. Now, let's do the wings. Does this piece go on the right? Oops, not quite. Let's try the left. Yay, it fits. And now, the last piece, the wing on the right. Pop it in. Hooray, we did it! Our owl puzzle is all done. Great job, friends.
Hi, friends. I'm an owl. Can you guess how to spell my name? Let's do it together. O-W-L, owl.
Look, look! A goldfish is swimming. Goldfish have bright orange scales that sparkle in the water. They can remember things for a few months, not just a few seconds. Goldfish don't have eyelids, so their eyes are always open. Goldfish like to swim in little groups, like friends swimming together. Friends, look! We found the goldfish puzzle pieces. Let's grab them super quick. Got it! Yay, now let's start the puzzle. Where does this piece go? Top, middle, or bottom? Let's try here. Oh yes, it's the goldfish's tail. This orange piece looks like its body. Let's put it in the middle. Yay, we did it. Now, let's do the fin. This blue piece looks like its fin. Let's try it here. Oh no, not right. That's okay. Let's spin it and put it on the left. Yes, it fits. Now, let's pop the other piece on the right side. Woohoo! Now for the goldfish's big eyes. Where should they go? The left side? Let's try it. Oh no, it doesn't fit. That's okay. Let's try the other side. Yes, perfect. And now the last piece, the goldfish's left eye. Look at those big eyes. Yay, we did it. We finished the goldfish puzzle together. Great job, friends.
Hi, friends. I'm a goldfish. Can you guess how to spell my name? Let's swim and spell it together. G-O-L-D-F-I-S-H, goldfish.
Wow, look! We spotted a starfish at the seashore. Starfish have 5 arms, just like a star with lots of points. If a starfish loses an arm, it can grow a new one. How cool is that? Starfish can crawl on the ocean floor using their tiny tube feet. They don't have a brain, but they still know how to find food. Yay, we found the starfish puzzle pieces. Gotcha, little starfish. Let's hurry and put the puzzle together. Let's go. Wow, look at all these colorful pieces. Let's start with the pink one. I'll put it here. Perfect. Next is blue. This one goes on the other side. Now, purple. Where does it go? On the left. Great job. And here's red. It goes on the right. Our star is almost done. Now the green piece. This one goes right at the top. And finally, the middle piece. Look at that happy, smiley starfish. Yay, it fits perfectly. Amazing job, friends. We did it.
Hi, friends. I'm a starfish. Look at my starry arms. Can you guess how to spell my name? Let's twirl and spell it together. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H, starfish.
Look, we spotted a snail crawling so slowly. Snails carry their homes on their backs. It's called a shell. They leave a shiny trail behind when they crawl. Sparkly. Snails have 2 long antennae with eyes at the tips. Peekaboo. Snails love to eat leaves and plants. Munch, munch. Wow, look. We found some colorful snail puzzle pieces. Gotcha, snail. Friends, let's do the puzzle together. So many colors. Which one should we start with? Let's pick the red piece first. I'll put it here. Perfect. Next is the orange piece. Let's put it next to the red one. Does it match? Yay, it fits. Now let's take the green piece. It goes below the red one. Great job, friends. What color is the last piece? Yellow? Yes, you got it. Let's pop it right here. Yay, the snail's shell is finished. Now for its funny little body. Haha, so cute. Look, we did it. Our colorful snail is all done. Great work, everyone.
Hi, friends. I'm a snail. Can you guess how to spell my name? Let's crawl and spell it together. S-N-A-I-L. Snail.
Wow, friends, look. We found all the missing animals together. Yay, great job.
Daddy! Mommy!
Yes, Mimi, what's up?
I want to go to Shinee theme park. Can we go today?
Oh, Mimi, that's a great idea. We haven't been to a theme park in a long time.
Okay, let's go today.
Really? Yay!
Let's go right now.
Hi, friends. The bunny family is riding a taxi to Shinee theme park. Before they get there, let's build the theme park together. What should we put in the theme park? Let's build the first ride. First, we use this orange piece, then the blue piece, and then the yellow piece. Can you guess what it is? Haha, look at the big cute whale. Let's add some grass to make it pretty. The first ride is ready. It's a water slide. So, what are we going to build next? Yes, friends. Can a theme park be fun without a Ferris wheel? No way. Let's build a Ferris wheel. First, let's mount the Ferris wheel on this stand. Yay, now it's ready. Look, the Ferris wheel can spin around. Something's missing. Oh, I know, the lion head sign. Let's add it to make our Ferris wheel extra cool. Done? Now, let's put it on the other side. Yay, we did it! Our Ferris wheel is all done. Good job, friends. What should we build next? Aha! How could we forget the train? Let's build it. First, let's put the front of the train together. Now, the train driver can sit inside and drive the train engine. Next, let's add the first train car. And then the second train car. Yay! Our train is all done. Look how colorful it is. Oh, the bunny family is almost at the theme park. We can't forget to build the Shinee theme park entrance. Yay, the entrance is all done. Now let's welcome the bunny family. The bunny family is here. Let's go inside the theme park and have lots of fun.
Wow! Daddy, Mommy, look! A water slide with lots of animals on it.
Mimi, can you tell me what animals are on the water slide?
Yes! There's a penguin, a shark, a stingray, and a whale with his big mouth open.
Great job, Mimi. You got them all right.
Mimi, hurry up and go line up for the water slide.
Okay.
Look, some animals are already in line. First, it's the dog. It's its turn to go on the water slide. Next is the pig. Whee! Enjoy the ride. Then comes the little chick. The chick is so excited to go. Finally, it's Mimi's turn.
Yay, it's my turn.
Mimi is going down the water slide. Wow, look at her. She's having so much fun.
Wow, this water slide is so exciting and super fun.
Let's take a picture in front of the water slide. Everyone, say cheese. 3, 2, 1, smile.
Wow, Daddy, Mommy, look! The Ferris wheel is so big and tall. It's spinning round and round. So much fun! Mommy, what's that animal at the top?
Oh, Mimi, that's a lion.
Wow, I'm going to line up for the Ferris wheel now.
Okay, have fun.
Look, the kids are all lining up to ride the Ferris wheel. First up is Cow. Ready to have some fun. All right, Cow is getting into the cabin now. Oh, it's starting to go up.
Hi, I'm sitting in the orange cabin.
Next is Sheep. And Sheep is getting ready to hop into the cabin. All right, it's starting.
Hi, I'm sitting in the blue cabin.
All right, who's next? Oh, it's Duck. Duck is ready to jump into the cabin. Look, boing, boing, it jumps right in. Whee, it's spinning now.
Hi, I'm in the green cabin.
Next up is Horse. Let's help Horse climb into the cabin. Clip, clop, Horse is in. Close the door, and off it goes.
Hi, I'm in the red cabin.
Now who's next? Oh, it's Cat. Cat is so quick. Jump, jump into the cabin it goes. Spin, spin, here we go.
Hi, I'm in the yellow cabin.
Finally, it's Mimi's turn.
Yay, I'm so excited. Oh, and I'm a bunny.
Mimi, have fun and look at the beautiful view.
Hi, I'm in the turquoise cabin. Bye-bye.
All right, everyone, let's take a big happy photo in front of the Ferris wheel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, say cheese. Big smiles.
Wow, Mimi, look. Do you know what's behind us?
Yes, I know. It's a train.
Yep, that's right. Great job. Let's go line up for the train ride.
Mimi, look, the train is puffing out steam. It's time to get on.
First, Monkey's turn. Haha, look at Monkey jumping on all excited. Who's next? Oh, it's Frog. Frog's sitting behind Monkey.
Now our family is sitting in the second car.
Mommy, Mommy, hurry, get on! The train is moving!
Wow, look at everyone. They're so happy on the train. All right, the train stopped. Time to get off. Wow, that was such a fun train ride. Let's take a big photo in front of the train. 3, 2, 1, say cheese.
Wow, Daddy, Mommy, look! So many cartoon characters! Can I take a picture with them?
Of course, Mimi. Let's go take a picture.
Hi, Mr. Robot. 3, 2, 1, cheese. Next, cute koala. 3, 2, 1, smile. Look, it's a minion. Ready? 3, 2, 1, say cheese.
Mimi, look, fireworks.
Wow, Mommy! The fireworks are so pretty!
Let's take a picture to remember this fun moment. 3, 2, 1, say cheese. Wow, friends! Today we had so much fun at the amusement park with the bunny family. We went on lots of fun rides and learned about animals, their sounds and colors. So fun and exciting! If you want to see more fun learning videos, don't forget to search for my name, Shinee, Shinee. Educational videos for kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe!